Hey guys, Donald Pedersen here from Mail Money Team, and I want to talk about this hot program, the hand-to-hand helper postcard system. Now, guys, this system here is really remarkable. It's what you're getting with this is an actual book, not a PDF, but you're going to get an actual book who's been written by Mr. Lon Lindsay, who has 40 plus years of direct mail experience. And this book is full of things that you can do yourself to start immediately making profit. It's just tremendous that he's made this for everybody because right now it's really tough. A lot of people are struggling. Things just aren't going so well for a lot of people, and this book can definitely help those people out. Like I said, it's got things in there that they can immediately implement and copy the way he's done it, and they'll start seeing success from those things. Now, that's not the only thing. What else he's created is the system that you can utilize this book to make money. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain how that works on this next slide here. Um, this system will allow you to make $37 every time you make a sale. Okay. It's a low entry fee. It's only $49 to get started. You keep $37 of it, and you'll send the admin $12. And that $12 is going to cover the cost of the postage to send out the book to the buyer and other papers that he's got included in there. Now, one great thing about this system that he's developed is it's direct payment. It's from buyer to seller. There's no middleman dispersing the money. There's no free spaces. It's just you and the buyer. Okay. So let me go ahead and go over this system. It's really easy to understand. Okay. So the way this system works is you should be able to see my pointer. Let's just say this is somebody that's going to buy from you. Okay. You've introduced the system to them. They may have gotten a postcard, they may have gotten a flyer, or you may have done a video, or may have been somebody that you know and talked to, and they're struggling, they could use some help. So you said, hey, let me introduce you to this postcard system here. So you talk to them about it, you explain how things work, they like it, they want to be a part of it, they want to get that book so they can start implementing the things in that book to start making some money from home. So they take the $49, they give it to you. Okay. You're going to keep 37 of it right here. And the only thing you've got to do at that point is send $12 to the admin, Mr. Lon Lindsay, right here. Once he receives that $12 and the buyer's information, okay, that's important. You've got to get their name, you've got to get their mailing address, phone number, and email. Send that all to him. This way he knows where to send the book. This is the book here. This is the cover of it. With that book, you're going to get a hand-to-hand helper flyer. This is a big ticket item right here. So if you decide to participate in that, you can get in for as low as $125 to start with. He's going to send these items out right to the buyer, directly to the buyer. So this is something. It's almost like drop shipping. You're selling the book, okay, for him. You're getting $37. You're going to send him the 12, and that's going to cover the postage to send all these items. He's going to go ahead and distribute those items right to the buyer. You don't have to do anything. Okay. Now, you can receive payment by cash in the mail, which I prefer. Check, money order. Okay. Or you can take Cash App or Zelle. Okay. If you decide you want to send the money to the admin, that's fine. You can do that too. Again, he accepts Zelle. He accepts Cash App. He does checks. He does money orders. He does cash, obviously. And he will do some crypto. But you have to contact him with that, and you guys will work that out amongst yourselves. So, in my case, I put my Cash App ID here, and I put my Zelle address right here. So if you want to get started with this program, feel free to send me a message. This is my phone number here, 313-355-2107. You can call 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is my member ID number 168340. Go ahead and write that down. 168340. You can contact me. Let me know, you're interested, that you want to be a part of it, and then you can either cash at me or again send it in Zelle, $49. Just let me know which one you've done, and send your mailing address along with that information, your phone number and email address, so that I can pass it on to Mr. Lindsay. Okay, so this show you next slide here. Well, I'm sorry. This slide here, okay, how the contents of a book tells how to generate immediate profits and then leverage those profits to up to 30 times over and over. Not only is this book going to tell you how to generate immediate money, it is also going to let you utilize this book to generate immediate money for you. And that's the part about you selling the book and keeping $37. Additionally, you will learn how to leverage those profits into cash money over and over. You'll find that money is the real product here and will become your financial solution. Okay. Again, I got my number up here. You can call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If I don't answer, just leave a voicemail. You can send a text. So I'm going to show you what the front of the postcard looks like. So this is what the front of the postcard looks like, the hand-to-hand helper. Money is the product, it's your financial solution. Okay, I'm going to show you how money is our product. Our current economy is wreaking havoc on all of us. The poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. What's wrong with that picture? People are needing money now. I have the solution, and it starts with my book, which will provide you with how to make money from home. But it is more than that. It is also about a solution to the current needing money problem. That is, how to get immediate cash money funding. He's got a hotline number. You can call him. There's a recorded message where he explains a lot in detail on how things work and about the book. So give that number a call. That number is area code 352-322-2832. And this is the back of the postcard. It's got a picture of the book. It's got here, yes, I have enclosed this postcard plus $49 for a home business for you book, along with the cost of shipping and handling. Send to the referrer above, okay? And this is just where I put my ID number. You can also check off, yes, I need and want immediate cash funding. Yes, I want a system of continued cash funding. Okay, and based on what you check off, he's going to send you additional information. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's really a low entry product to get involved with. A lot of people need help right now, and when you explain to them that they'll get a book that's going to help them start making immediate profit, it's almost like a no-brainer. Who would not want a book that's going to do that for them? And then to find out that you can also sell that book and keep $37, it's a great product. Okay, guys, I am done. I'm Donald Pedersen from the Mail Money Team. Again, you can contact me. Call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can leave a voicemail. If you do leave a voicemail, I just ask that you speak slowly and clearly. Leave your full name, your email address, repeat your phone number in the voicemail, and also if you're going to order the book, leave me your mailing address. And also, if you are going to order the book, if you could also send that information in a text. So I have the voicemail and the text, that we have, a backup in case I lose one of them. Okay, guys, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Have a good night.